Millionaire traits for success. Number 1. Entrepreneurial vision. Having a special talent for spotting chances that others might miss, and turning them into business ideas that fill gaps in the market. This knack for identifying unmet needs and creating ventures around them is like having a treasure map to financial success. It's about recognizing what people are looking for but can't quite find yet. By doing this, you're not just creating a business, you're also providing value to others. This is a key ingredient in the recipe for achieving millionaire status. It's a combination of paying attention to the world around you, understanding what's missing and taking action to fill those gaps. This is one of the pathways to building substantial wealth. 2. Self-awareness. This is all about having a clear understanding of what you're good at, and where you might need some improvement. Think of it as a roadmap that helps you navigate your journey towards wealth accumulation. When you have a solid grasp of your strengths, you can focus on activities that play to those strengths, setting yourself up for success. On the flip side, recognizing your weaknesses isn't a setback, it's actually a strategic move. By acknowledging areas that might need development, you can make informed decisions. For instance, if you're not a numbers person, but you know numbers are crucial in finance, you can seek assistance or education in that area. This self-awareness isn't about being perfect from the get-go. It's about being resourceful and wise. When you build your path to millionaire status on a foundation of understanding yourself, you're effectively equipping yourself for a more strategic and successful wealth-building journey. 3. Mindful presence. Immersing yourself completely in whatever you're engaged in. It's not just about being physically present, but mentally and emotionally engaged as well. When you apply this principle to your endeavors, it can have a significant impact on your journey towards millionaire status. See, by fully focusing on what you're doing, you gain a deeper understanding of the ins and outs of your pursuits. It's like shining a spotlight on your efforts, helping you identify potential areas for improvement and innovation. This kind of attentive approach allows you to fine-tune your strategies and adapt them based on real-time observations. Mindful presence is like having a magnifying glass. It brings even the smallest details into view. Whether it's managing your finances, exploring investment opportunities, or refining business strategies, being fully present in each step of the process can lead to better outcomes. 4. Curiosity. This is all about having an insatiable thirst for knowledge and a genuine interest in venturing into unfamiliar territories. When you approach wealth accumulation with curiosity, you open doors to innovative ideas and opportunities that might have otherwise remained hidden. This thirst for understanding propels you to seek out new information, question established norms, and explore areas that others might overlook. It's like being an explorer of possibilities within the realm of finance. By being curious, you uncover insights that can help you make the right decisions and potentially create groundbreaking strategies. This mindset can lead to discovering gaps in the market, recognizing trends before they become mainstream, and even developing unique solutions to common problems. It's about paving a pathway to wealth accumulation that's marked by innovation, adaptation, and a keen understanding of the financial landscape. 5. Optimism. Maintaining a positive outlook while also having the wisdom to handle challenges with a realistic mindset. Millionaires often embrace optimism not as blind positivity, but as a strategic tool. They understand that a positive attitude can foster resilience and open doors to opportunities. This optimism is coupled with a healthy dose of discernment. It's not about ignoring obstacles. Rather, it's about acknowledging them and approaching them with a solution-oriented mindset. When challenges arise, optimistic millionaires evaluate the situation, assess potential risks, and make choices based on the available facts. They don't shy away from adversity. Instead, they confront it head-on, seeking ways to mitigate its impact. This balance is what sets the foundation for successful wealth accumulation. 6. Niche expertise. When you become the go-to person for something super specific, like knowing everything about renewable energy investments or futuristic tech stocks, people start noticing. They'll see you as the guru in that field. Companies and individuals will pay top dollar to tap into your brain. Imagine you're the go-to person for advising on cutting-edge AI startups. businesses will line up to get your insights because you're like a treasure chest of knowledge. T can open doors to being a consultant or advisor. Niche expertise can be your secret weapon in building your wealth empire. With those specialized skills, you can make investment decisions that others can't even dream of. 7. Adaptive innovation. Businesses that can swiftly adjust to new ideas and stay on top of fresh trends end up being the real winners. Imagine you're running a company that makes gadgets. If you're open to new technologies and can quickly switch gears to create the latest gizmo everyone craves, you're set for success. This adaptability isn't just about being trendy, it's survival in the ever-evolving market. If you're the first to offer a service that everyone suddenly needs, your income potential skyrockets. Moreover, staying ahead of the curve keeps you from financial setbacks caused by unexpected market shifts. It's like having a shield against financial storms. So financial trailblazers, remember this: embracing change and staying open to innovative ideas is your ticket to not only surviving but thriving on your journey to millionaire mastery. Join our blog, BraylenAV.com, for access to expert tips, the latest updates, and a treasure trove of knowledge. Come along for the ride. We'll see you there. 8. Problem solving. The big idea here is tackling real-world challenges head-on and coming up with solutions that truly make a positive impact on people's lives. When it comes to pathways to wealth accumulation, problem solving is your golden ticket. It's not just about making money, it's about identifying problems that need fixing and finding innovative ways to fix them. Whether it's a new product, a service, or game-changing idea, the key is to approach problem-solving with an open mind and a determination to make a difference. Remember, in the journey to millionaire status, your ability to solve real-world problems is what sets you apart and propels you forward. 9. Networking. It's more than just making acquaintances. It's about identifying those who share your goals and values and can bring about mutual benefits. See, every connection you nurture is like a seed you're planting in the garden of success. The world is a network of opportunities, and by engaging with people thoughtfully, you're effectively broadening your horizons. Whether it's partnerships, joint ventures, or mentorships, approach networking with authenticity and the intent to create value for both parties involved. On your journey to millionaire status, your capacity to establish meaningful relationships is a distinguishing factor that can propel you ahead. Embrace the art of connecting, communicate sincerely, and let your relationships pave the way to financial accomplishment. 10. Emotional intelligence. Comprehending and effectively handling emotions, which plays a crucial role in both decision-making and interactions with others. In the context of pathways to wealth accumulation, your emotional intelligence becomes a powerful tool. It's not just about rational thinking, it's about recognizing your emotions and those of others, and using that awareness to your advantage. The world of finance and wealth accumulation involves working with people, partners, clients, and colleagues, and having a high emotional intelligence equips you to communicate, negotiate, and collaborate more effectively. From managing setbacks to celebrating victories, your emotional intelligence helps you maintain equilibrium. In your pursuit of millionaire status, your ability to understand and manage emotions is an asset that sets you apart. Therefore, embrace emotional intelligence, foster self-awareness, and let your emotional acumen guide you towards financial accomplishment. 11. Negotiation finesse. When you negotiate adeptly, you're like a strategic thinker identifying opportunities within deals and agreements. These abilities are not limited to the business elite, they're for anyone who is committed to building wealth. Consider this: each time you strive for a better deal, secure a more favorable interest rate, or finalize a job offer, you're putting these skills into action. Negotiation involves finding middle ground, comprehending the needs of the other party, and constructing scenarios where everyone wins. It's about nurturing relationships for the long run. Whether you're aiming for a major business transaction or a minor purchase, mastering negotiation will provide you with a notable advantage as you journey towards financial success. 12. Creative monetization. Leveraging your creative skills and talents to generate income streams. Whether you're into art, writing, or content creation, these abilities can become valuable sources of revenue on your journey towards achieving millionaire status. Instead of solely considering your creative endeavors as hobbies, you can view them as potential business opportunities. For instance, if you're skilled at creating artwork, you could sell your pieces or offer commissioned work. If writing is your forte, you might explore freelance writing, self-publishing, or creating online courses. By transforming your passions into viable income streams, you're diversifying your sources of wealth accumulation. Over time, with effort and smart strategy, these creative pursuits can contribute significantly to your financial prosperity. 13. Data-driven insight. Data is abundant, and understanding how to use it strategically is a vital skill on your path to achieving millionaire status. Instead of relying solely on gut feelings, you can rely on concrete information to guide your choices. Whether you're running a business, investing in stocks, or even managing personal finances, analyzing data can offer you a competitive edge. For instance, in a business context, data can reveal customer preferences, market trends, and operational bottlenecks. By deciphering this information, you can tweak your strategies, allocate resources more effectively, and ultimately boost your bottom line. In investments, data analysis helps you identify patterns and potential risks. Even on a personal level, tracking your expenses and income can provide insights into where your money is going and help you optimize your budget. By embracing data as your ally, you're setting yourself up for smarter, more informed decisions that contribute to your journey of financial prosperity. 14. Communication. This skill involves effectively expressing your ideas in a convincing manner and positively impacting those around you. In the path towards achieving millionaire status, communication is an invaluable asset. It's about conveying your thoughts in a way that resonates with others. Whether you're negotiating a deal, leading a team, or presenting a business proposal, your ability to communicate can determine your success. Clear communication ensures that your intentions are understood, and it can foster trust and collaboration. Being able to articulate your business ideas can attract investors and partners. It's not about flashy language, but being concise, confident, and respectful. Listening is a crucial component of communication. Understanding the perspectives of others helps in finding common ground and making informed decisions. So as you strive for financial prosperity, remember that your ability to communicate can significantly influence your wealth. 15. Time management. Think of your time as a valuable resource, just like money, that needs to be invested wisely. Prioritizing income-generating activities means focusing on tasks that directly contribute to your financial growth. For instance, in a business context, allocating time to activities that directly lead to sales or business expansion is crucial. When investing, conducting thorough research and analysis can enhance your decision-making. Even on a personal level, dedicating time to acquiring new skills or networking can open doors to new opportunities. Remember, each hour is a chance to move closer to your financial aspirations. By treating your time as an asset and managing it thoughtfully, you're setting the stage for enhanced productivity and wealth accumulation. 16. Resilient. Staying determined even in the face of setbacks, drawing lessons from failures and returning with greater strength. On your journey towards achieving millionaire status, resilience is an indispensable attribute. It's understanding that challenges are a natural part of any pursuit, including wealth accumulation. Resilience means not allowing obstacles to derail your progress. Instead, it's using difficulties as stepping stones to growth. Think of it as a mental muscle that gets stronger each time you encounter a setback. Whether you're starting a business, investing in ventures, or even managing personal finances, the ability to bounce back from failures is crucial. Resilience is what allows you to persist and learn, ultimately bringing you closer to your financial goals. 17. Learning. On the journey towards achieving millionaire status, the value of learning cannot be overstated. The world of finance is ever evolving, and to succeed, you must evolve alongside it. This means dedicating time to acquiring new knowledge and refining existing skills. Whether you're interested in business, investments, or personal finance, continuous learning is key. For instance, in business, staying updated with industry trends and exploring new strategies can give you a competitive advantage. When it comes to investments, understanding different asset classes and financial instruments can lead to better decisions. This commitment to learning isn't limited to formal education. It encompasses reading, attending workshops, seeking mentors, and staying open to new ideas. And the goal is to apply it practically. By making learning a consistent part of your routine, you're investing in yourself, enhancing your capabilities, and paving the way for successful wealth accumulation. 18. Resourceful. Being resourceful means making the most of what you have, your time, skills, and opportunities, to get ahead financially. One pathway involves increasing your income through your career or entrepreneurial ventures. Another involves smartly managing expenses by budgeting and cutting unnecessary costs. Investing is key too. Putting your money to work in avenues like stocks, real estate, or retirement accounts can grow your wealth over time. Being resourceful sets you on a steady course towards financial success, and the sooner you start, the more time your investments have to compound and grow. So embrace resourcefulness as a valuable tool on your way towards millionaire status. 19. Meticulous planning. Carefully outlining your goals, breaking them down into smaller achievable steps, and crafting a timeline for each. This organized approach allows you to navigate your financial landscape more efficiently. If your goal is to accumulate wealth, meticulous planning involves setting a specific savings target, selecting appropriate investment vehicles based on your risk tolerance, and creating a diversified portfolio that aligns with your long-term objectives. In this manner, you're able to make great decisions while keeping financial priorities in check. Having a well-structured plan provides you with a sense of direction and purpose, helping you stay focused on your goals even when faced with challenges. Meticulous planning, coupled with disciplined execution, is a proven strategy that empowers you to make the most out of your financial resources and work towards attaining millionaire status. 20. Discipline. Discipline is the cornerstone of financial success, stemming from your inner motivation to create a prosperous future. This means resisting impulsive spending in favor of saving and investing for your future. Disciplined professionals stick to budgets, setting aside a portion of their income for savings and investments before indulging in discretionary expenses. Their consistency in actions enables the power of compounding to work in their favor. Discipline also means avoiding excessive debt, living within your means, and being patient when waiting for investments to grow. This steadfast approach might mean making sacrifices now for greater financial freedom down the line. Becoming a millionaire requires a commitment to these consistent and purposeful actions. By practicing discipline, you're building a solid foundation for your financial journey, inching closer to your goal of achieving millionaire status. 21. Digital savviness. Staying abreast of technological advancements and using them to your advantage in managing your finances. Embracing digital tools, platforms, and resources can significantly enhance your financial efficiency and innovation. Online banking and budgeting apps allow you to track your spending, set savings goals, and manage accounts conveniently. Understanding investment platforms and digital trading can provide you with real-time access to markets, helping you make informed investments. Moreover, the ability to adapt to emerging technologies in areas like cryptocurrency or robo-advisors can open up new avenues for diversification and potentially higher returns. By staying updated on digital trends, you're better positioned to seize opportunities, save time, and optimize your financial strategies. Embodying millionaire traits is your compass to financial accomplishment. Picture yourself as the captain of your destiny, armed with persistence that weathers storms, a visionary spirit that seizes opportunities, and a disciplined mindset that forges uncharted paths. Remember, each step guided by your unwavering determination, innovative curiosity, and fearless risk-taking is a stride toward the pinnacle of achievement. Embrace your uniqueness, harness your talents, and let the tapestry of your journey be woven with the threads of patience and adaptability. The millionaire traits you cultivate are not just a map, they're your companions on the exhilarating adventure of building your legacy. Your potential knows no bounds, and the world stands ready to applaud the masterpiece of your success.